Join me behind the scenes on this boudoir shoot. Stick around for her gorgeous photos at the end. Hi, I'm Christina at Elise Josie Photography, and I would like to welcome you to my studio. Thank you to Miranda for letting us film her session and share this behind the scenes footage. For boudoir, wardrobe is so important. We start by picking out the best outfit that fits your comfort level and desired vibe. Hair and makeup is included in every session. We have a team of professional makeup artists on staff. We can do soft glam if you prefer something more natural, or dark smoky eyes, maybe even a red lip if you're feeling something more bold. Or maybe try a classic pinup vibe. We're only doing one set today with Miranda, but if you're doing 2 sets, do a soft look for one and something more bold for the second. Today, our makeup artist is Cynthia. I will put her Instagram here and in the comments so you can follow her and see more of her amazing work. After some final touches and accessories, we will move into shooting. I will guide you through posing. I'll cue you on facial expressions, whether to smile or not smile, arm and leg positions, and I'll give you other prompts such as arching your back, lifting your chin, lowering your shoulders. I try to give clear and detailed instructions for getting into poses. Sometimes I even do the pose myself to help you visualize what we're going for. I finesse the final details and I shoot from multiple angles so we get a lot of variety. Before you leave, one of my favorite things is giving you a little sneak peek of your photos.